Well, it's Friday night. It's 25 till 8 o'clock, and 8 o'clock the fireworks goes off every night here. Excuse me, every Friday night at 8 o'clock. And I was talking to a guy today, and he said as long as he can remember, for years and years and years, every Friday night right in this area right here, they have 4th of July type fireworks. It only lasts, I guess, about 8 or 10 minutes. It's a pretty good display. So anyway, I thought I'd better get down here tonight and take a look and see what's going on. They've got a lot of people down here on the beach. And they're playing with these lighted things that I'm going to have to go and check out. Hello, Santa Claus. Hello. Well, I see we got a lot of people coming to the Sharpens Best Expo over here in Honolulu, Hawaii, down on the beach. We only advertised for about 3 days. It's really hard to believe that so many people would come to see a product they've never seen before. Sharpensbest.com is where you can go to find out what kind of sharpeners they are and how they work. That's Sharpensbest.com. People are coming in. I see a lot of stragglers coming. That's okay because the expo doesn't start for about 20 minutes. Okay, I found where they're coming from. Now I got to go look at this. That might be something we need to bring to the mainland. Well, I suckered in. I bought 7 of them for $20. I'm going to meet with the guy tomorrow and see about buying them wholesale. Take these things back to Wyoming. This is a riot. They're everywhere. We're gonna see. I just thought I'd better get a picture of this. There's an evil capitalist. An evil capitalist at work here. He's making money off of these people. They work hard for their money. And he's making money off of them because they want something he has. He bought it for less than he's selling it for, and they're paying more money for it than he did. That's how evil capitalists work. People having a good time. Outside